Hello po, good day. Bali, ito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo 3DS XL white variant natin. Stylus, andito po siya sa likod. Yan, open lang natin siya. So this order is going to Bahor, Cavite. Now for your order, we have installed here around 80 to 100 plus games, 3DS games. So marami na rin po kayo mga games na pwede ninyong pagpilian. Now, aside from yung ating mga 3DS games, you can also play all games like Nintendo DS. We have here our Twilight Menu application wherein it would allow you to play DS games. Meron na rin po kami mga DS games installed for you. And then, we also have here yung ating H-Shop application naman that allows you to download 3DS games directly online. So, pakita ko lang din yung buttons ng ating unit. Although na-test na rin namin yung inyong unit, so this is just for our video demo para mapakita din po namin sa inyo. So LR, ABXY natin, analog directional buttons, and our select start. All good. Now, let me also show you yung charging ng ating unit. So nakakabit na yung charger ninyo sa outlet namin. Once you plug in your charger, this battery icon will show running and then magkakaroon po ng orange light dito sa ibaba. So let me show you. Saan na yung... Ayan. Yeah. Orange light and then the battery icon will change. Now let's open one game. For the 3DS games, you just need to open yung mga naka-gift wrap po. Ito ko lang. So for the games we have here, of course, yung mga Pokemon games natin, Zelda, Mario games, and marami pa pong iba. So open natin ito. One of the Pokemon games. So okay na po yung inyong order, bali papak na lang din namin ito and then wait na lang namin yung courier for pick up. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!